Hey guys, I'm Erica Hughes. Thank you for joining me for the December Piggy Switcheroo YouTube artist collaboration. We are using loads of this Little Piggy pigments, which you can get off the fluidart.co website, and I'll have everything linked underneath this video in the description box. Okay, so for the Switcheroo collaboration, if you guys haven't seen the previous videos, you can check them, watch them back anytime. I'll have the links and all that in the description. You can go back and see yesterday's videos, as well as next weekend there's going to be some more. But basically for the Switcheroo Piggy December collaboration is we all did a painting and we gave our content over to another artist on YouTube, and they uploaded our video, and it's up to you guys to guess which artist is doing this painting that you're watching now. So comment in the description underneath this video who you think the artist is that is doing this painting. And I actually haven't seen this video yet, so I can already tell you that I'm going to love it because the color palette. Speaking of colors, let's see what this artist is using. They are using Wild Atlantic by This Little Piggy Pigments, my signature color. Yay! Payne's Gray. They have a grayish blue custom color that they got from the scrapings from their table. There's a white cloud mix. Again, I'll have the recipes in the description under the videos so you guys can recreate. Strom by This Little Piggy Pigments. Payne's Gray. There's some white, some grayish blue. And again, I'll put that in the description so you guys can check it out. And they are using a spouted cup. They filled it about 12 ounces. Filled cup up to the 12-ounce mark before pouring. Okay. That's gorgeous already. The color palette, I love the base. Let's see. The base coat is by Sherwin Williams, Anchors Away. And they added a bit of American Floetrol to that. So let's see. Yeah, again, I haven't actually seen this footage yet, so I'm excited to see what's created. Let's see what... So the cloud mix is 1 part Amsterdam titanium white, 1 part Vallejo pearl medium, to 2 parts American Floetrol with a 3-second trace. Oh, here we go, here we go. A little more base down. Okay, here we go. Fun. This color palette is like right up my alley. I love it. Okay, looks like we have a bit of a ring pour going on with some clouds. So who do you guys think it is? Comment below. Oh, look at that. Oh, they layered the cup so beautifully. I will say this person is the bomb at the cloud. I love that base color. That is so my color. I love it. Oh, fun. This makes me want to go and mix up some paint. It's so satisfying to watch. Sorry, I'm just mesmerized by it. I could watch these paintings all day. Oh, you gotta catch that drip. Gotta catch it. There we go, there we go. Ah, perfect, flawless. Oh, well, they aren't happy with that little section there, but that's okay. Popping some air bubbles. Okay, it's tilting time. Oh, this is so making me want to go paint. Haven't been painting lately, so this is just what I needed to get back in and paint. I wonder what they're gonna do. If they're gonna leave some negative space or cover the whole canvas or stretch it out over the whole canvas. Let's see. I love the color palette. Don't forget to comment below who you guys think this artist is. I'm very curious to see if they leave negative space or they cover the whole canvas or stretch it out over the whole canvas. It's always interesting, I think, to see how others play with their composition when they're tilting. Because you can cover the whole canvas and just be done with it, but there's sometimes I like a little bit of negative space, so I'm kind of hoping for the negative space, but no worries if not. I'm sure it's going to be gorgeous. I love the smokiness of that background. You guys know me, I love that shade. This is cool. Popping air bubbles. Again, if you guys want to mix this up, all of this artist's info is in the description under this video, as well as a link to their channel. So if you haven't seen this artist before, you have to check them out because they are amazing at the cloud pour. Best I've seen. And I love somebody who really just takes the time and tilts just patiently and finds their composition. Sometimes I get a little heartbroken when I see somebody just tilt, and that's it. So I always say it, be patient and just watch your composition, make your composition, control it as much as you can. Looks like there's gonna be some negative space. I don't want to speak too soon, even though I already did. But I do think there's gonna be some negative space. So good. I love that Payne's Gray, I think it is. It totally gives the paint it depth. I love it. It looks like a shadow. Like on the edge of the pour. Oh, I love it. Definitely negative space. Oh, I love it. Oh, wouldn't that be something if it was a negative space in the end and I'm over here saying all this about the negative space? I hope they leave it. Sure, no hard feelings. It'll be gorgeous either way. It looks like they're kind of opening up that center by going back and forth like that, stretching it around. Yeah, I love that line of Payne's Gray, just on the border of the pour. I love that. It really adds so much to it. I'd be interested to read these comments to see if you guys can guess this artist. All right, close up. Oh yeah, blinging. Of course, this Little Piggy Pigments. Love it. I love all like the ribbon, like the ribbons and the strands. Love it. Gorgeous. Great job. Very cool. Yay, Wild Atlantic is in there too. That is awesome. Right, I think this is coming to an end, is it? Yes. So, comment below if you guys want to watch back the videos. You can just follow the playlist. There's loads of videos there. And then again, we'll be back next weekend. But yes, thanks for joining us. And I hope, oh yes, I absolutely love that. Thanks for joining us. That is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.